Safeguard your online purchases and say goodbye to the risks of sharing your physical card details with CIMB's virtual credit card. First, let's dive into generating your virtual credit card. Open your CIMB Clicks app and log in securely. Once logged in, navigate to the credit card section and look for the option to create a virtual credit card. It's usually a prominent button. You'll be prompted to select a virtual credit card product. Often, there are different options based on your needs. Fill in the required details, which are typically minimal and pre-filled from your existing CIMB account. Choose your preferred credit limit for this virtual card, and then review and confirm your application. It's a quick and easy process. And just like that, your virtual credit card is generated. You'll see its unique card number, expiry date, and CVV, all accessible directly within the CIMB Clicks app. Now, let's talk about using it for those seamless online transactions. When you're shopping online, simply enter these virtual card details at the checkout page, just as you would with a physical card. This is perfect for everything from spontaneous online shopping to managing your recurring subscriptions, offering a layer of separation from your primary card. One of the biggest benefits is enhanced security. Each virtual card has its own unique number, protecting your main credit card from potential data breaches. You can also set spending limits for each virtual card and receive real-time transaction alerts, giving you ultimate control and peace of mind. CIMB's virtual credit card is your go-to for a safer, smarter way to shop online, giving you more control and protection for every transaction. Start enjoying secure online payments today with your CIMB virtual credit card.